Yo, what's up with y'all, man? Hope everybody doing good today. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy, aka Built on a Budget Junior. Yep, that's right. Y'all know who it is. Hey, if you haven't already, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, so y'all can stay locked, man. Y'all know I'm dropping them, man. I'm dropping them. Hey, man, I hope everybody doing good today, man. We in the garage. Yup. Kind of nippy out here. Yeah, we call it nippy. When it ain't too cold, you know what I mean? Just a little nip, you know what I mean? Just a little cold, just a little cool in the air, you know what I mean? The wind blowing and stuff like that. But yeah, man, everything good though, you know what I mean? No need to complain. But hey, first of all, before we get into this, man, shout out Grandpa Vic, man. Hey, Grandpa Vic, you probably got me in the game, but we about to see. Stay locked. Make sure y'all hit that like button. See, y'all about to make me forget. Make sure y'all hit that like button, cause y'all always forget for some reason. Make sure y'all hit it. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notification bells. Hey, stay locked with your boy. Let's get it.
Got a Cutlass from 84, it's the OG ride. Pillow top seats, baby, where we slide. Flat screen chilling in the back, so fine. Call my car Sparrow, it's always on time. We ride behind 10, can't see inside. Windows up high where we love to glide. Sparrow flying through the city lanes wide. Feel the breeze while we take this ride.
Alright, y'all. So when I said shout out Grandpa Vic, man, Grandpa Vic showed me how to do a parasitic test. Yes, sir. Hey, so we about to try to do a parasitic test off of Grandpa Vic instructions. Alright? Hey, my first time doing it, so y'all bear with me. Alright? So we gonna start off with our battery. So y'all know we just got a brand new battery the other day from Walmart. Brand new Everstart battery. So we have a fully charged battery. I already disconnected. 1 second. Let me show y'all without. See that's see what I'm saying? 1 second, y'all. Alright. Lord have mercy. So I be keeping the battery tender on after I got the battery tender. So we disconnected the battery tender. Alright. So then he said to disconnect the positive side. Not the negative, but the positive. And you see I have it wrapped up because I don't got no plastic around the positive terminal, so we don't want that to touch nothing, right? Cool. All right. So then he said, what you gonna do is you're gonna get you a test light, not the LED bulb one. The what do you call it? In the y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, into somebody. But yeah, whatever. Hey, not the LED bulb. So got my Harbor Freight test light. Bam. Cool. So he said first you gonna hook it up to the negative side. So we can put our alligator clip on the negative. Alright. So we got our prong. We're gonna touch this side on the positive side on the battery. All right. So here we go. Let me see if y'all can see it. Y'all see it? Y'all see how bright the light is? I hope y'all can see how bright the light is. All right. Cool. So he said, being that the light is bright, that means that we have a full charge, right? Cool. So we have a fully charged system, or you know what I mean? We fully charged. Bet. So then, let me see now. I'm telling y'all, Hey, I don't remember now. Let me think. So then he said we're gonna leave that right there on the negative. And we're gonna take this right here and touch our positive terminal right here. Alright? It should be. See down. What happened? I might be doing something wrong, ain't it? Hold on. Nope. I think I'm doing something wrong, y'all. I am doing something wrong. See? I lied. He didn't say do that. See? What he said was, you touch this. So I take my alligator clip and I'm gonna put it over here. Alright? We're gonna touch that on the positive terminal. And then we're gonna take our, I tell y'all I be messing up, man. Hey, this real life. Ain't no green screen. It's happening right now. Y'all see me messing up. But see, I corrected myself. And I'm gonna leave it in here so y'all can see me mess up and correct myself. Alright? Cool. So we're gonna take this part of it and touch it on the positive side of the battery. Alright? Y'all see the light, right? Y'all see the light? It's not as bright, right? Cool. So what he said was, this is the part where you will leave this in here, just like this, and you will start pulling fuses to see if it cuts off, if the light changes, or whatnot like that, right? So when it does that, so when the light changes from you holding it, from you having it right here and you going over to your fuse box and pulling your fuses, if that light changes or something like that, then that indicates your draw. Okay? I think I'm right now. I think I'm right. You know what I mean? Sometimes I might need to do push-ups. Cause I pay attention. I do pay attention, but you know what I mean? Hey, I'm human. But yeah, so you'll go and start pulling fuse. The light changes, then you know that's where your draw is coming from. Alright? I think that's what he said. Anyway, y'all, I don't have a draw. So that's great. I feel like I'm missing a step in his step, or I'm saying something wrong. But y'all are corrected, and I know he'll correct it in the comments. But I don't have a draw. So that's good. That's good to know. So that being said, hey, I guess we can move on to the next thing to see why we got this whatchamacallit, this drag when I'm trying to start the car. Yeah. So basically, from me doing that test, I had a bad battery. From me doing that test, I had a bad battery. I don't have a draw at all. Alright? Man, I appreciate everybody watching, man. This was a little quick one, right quick, man, so I could, tap in and let y'all know, let y'all see that, hey, man, we don't have oh shoot, I can't even pronounce the thing again. Parasitic draw. Alright? Hey, man, to the next one. It's 84 Cutty. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I tell you, man, I can't talk, man, unless I be talking too fast or something, man. Hey, man, y'all understand what I'm trying to say, though, man. Hey, hit that like button, though, man. This 84 Cutty, man, built on the budget junior. Hey, we out.